Hey Kate, Rob here. Just want to say a big thanks for your great course that you put together. Felt like that I've been lingering for quite some time, and then by taking your course, helping get it all in the right direction. Started out doing websites, building them out for a small company of ours with a friend of mine. We decided to go into SEO, but we weren't really sure where to start, so we sort of toiled around and stalked your Facebook groups for a little while, asking 2 million questions, and thought it was only fair to finally sign up for the SEO for Success course. And I've got to say, completing the course has just turned our business around. We've got multiple clients now for SEO, and we're doing extremely well, getting some great results and forever learning. So anyone interested in Kate's course, definitely jump all over it. It's a great start, beginning and end, and by the time you'll come out of it, you'll have that much confidence. You'll be able to take on anyone and do it successfully. So again, Kate, thank you very much.